Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kaija if you're new, where I'm here for a good time and not a long time. And today, as you guys can see by the title, I have an exciting video for you guys where it's something a little different, not my normal try on clothing hauls, but I do and I will be trying on some contact lenses from a company called Just for Kira. And this is the box. I'm so excited. They reached out and collabed with me for this video, and I am going to be trying on a variation of different color contact lenses for you guys. And you know, this is just the holy grail right here. It has all the lovely contacts in it of different colors, and I'm going to show you what's in the box. So in the box, we have a thank you letter from Just for Kira with all of their social media handles. And on the back are instructions on how to put the contacts as well as take them out. Each of the contact lenses come in its own separate box, and the lenses are pre-soaked in eye solution, which I do recommend soaking in the case they provide for 6 to 8 hours before wearing. And can we give it up for the packaging? These holographic pink boxes are so cute. And this is just another box of contact lenses. They have different variations of packaging depending on what color lens you purchase from the site. Each set of lenses will come with a cute clear contact case where they provide small tweezers and a tool that can pop the contact into your eye easily if you're a beginner. You can purchase these contacts at justforkira.com and use my code DIVINELY for 20% off. And I'm in a bad bitch in the garden of deep. Oh yeah, I'm still saying So this is the first look. This is called Echo Hazel, and honestly, I love this color. I think it works so well with my skin complexion, and like it's not too like abnormal for me, so it looks low-key natural, which I really like. And it looks like it just like has like a hint of like, it looks kind of gray, to be honest too. Like it can look like any color under any lighting, depending on what kind of lighting you have. But I love this color. It's just like breathtaking. It's like you can stare in someone's eyes and get lost in their eyes. Like, hello, get lost in your eyes. I definitely love this one. This one is like top 2 and not 2, but you know, we definitely got 3 more lenses to go. It took me 30 minutes to put these in, but these are like, I could wear these like from a 9 to 5, like honestly. What do you guys think? What rating would you give this color? Okay guys, so let's get into the second look. This is called, let's see, this is called Norco Blue. This color is so gorgeous. Like the blue is so like, it's so rich in like color, like, oh. But I would say I'm overwhelmed with this color. Like, I just don't think this is a natural look for my skin complexion. But I do think it's a fun color. Like, if you wanted to wear this for like Halloween or even just a night out somewhere, if you just, it really doesn't matter. But I really do think it's a beautiful blue. It has like black, like a black outline around the contact. So it's very different. I must say I do really like it. But it's just a different look for me. But it's an amazing color, which I just really love. So yeah, guys, what do you think about this color? Is it giving? Is it not giving? Is it too much? What do you guys think? I really do like it, but just not for an everyday look. So these are the gray ones, and these are very pretty. They give off a blue look, honestly, but I think this works way better than the second pair that were like a piercing blue, because I feel like in the light it gives like a nice light blue, but in the dark it comes off as like gray, like cat eye type of look. The color is just so different. I think this is like the second in line with the hazel that I wore in the first clip, and just look how the sun is just shining on me. Like, I think the sun likes this too, but this is a very, very pretty, subtle, but still captivating color, and I think it works well with anybody's skin complexion. Like, it goes well. You can wear this like anywhere you want to if you're looking for a different look. And the great thing about these contacts is that you can put your prescription in it, and I think that's great if you wear glasses. Like, if you don't want to wear your glasses, like, this is a great contact lens company that you can utilize for your everyday contact solutions or anything like that. So this is a great color. I definitely recommend. This is called the, let's see, what is this called? This is called the SL29 gray, and it is just that girl. Like, she's that girl, honestly. What do you guys think? What would you rate this one on a scale from 1 to 10? So these are the last look of contact lenses that I have, and this is called the Niala green, and I really do like these. These are very like natural. I love natural earth tones, so I'm definitely just into the green. Green is my favorite color, and I knew that when I bought these that these would like blend very well with like my skin tone and everything like that. And around the contact lens it has like a black circle just like the other ones as well, which is really cool, and it just gives like another enticing look. I think this is definitely a good look for anybody. And just look how it looks with the plant behind me. Like, it just goes very well. So these are very cute. I just love them. I think I love all of them, actually. Like, every contact lens that I tried on today, like, I think they have like their own like personality to go with it. And like, if you're looking for like a specific personality with your contact lens, like, I think that's kind of cool. Like, you know, this one, I don't know if this is giving, but this is giving earth girl, you know, like just like spiritual, one with the earth. You know, I love plants, I love animals type of look. Like, I eat fruits and vegetables. I don't eat meat, vegetarian. So this is like the type of personality is giving me. But this is like, I love all of them, honestly. They're all just so different. And it just takes away from my everyday boring brown eyes and gives me a little pop of color. And everyone needs a pop of color in life. So this is the end of my video, you guys. I want to thank you guys for watching, always showing up on my channel, and just enjoying my content. I know this is different from my usual clothing hauls, but this was a contact haul. So I hope you guys like the different colors that I chose. But I do have a little gift for you guys. If you guys are so interested in getting contact lenses for yourself, I do have a code that you guys can use down in the description box below, or it will be right here for you guys to use. Just for Kira has so many different other colored contacts that you guys can use. I love their site. I think it's affordable, and with my code, it will be even more affordable. So definitely use my code, and I will see you guys in the next video, you guys. Love you. Bye.